Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Finxter.com, and in today's video, I'm excited to welcome our new Finxter Freelancer student, Brian. So welcome, Brian, to the Freelancer course. Great to have you on board. I appreciate you joining the course. And in these welcome videos, I want to give you some boost of motivation so that you actually see that freelancing is indeed the opportunity you thought it is. So you joined the course, so you definitely think that freelancing is a great opportunity for you. But is it really? I mean, can you really make money and make a good living on Upwork? And I think one of the best things to do is to study the best, like the top coders on any platform or in any industry, and to do what they do, right? Do the things that work actually. And so I myself have worked on Upwork as a freelance developer, earning $100 and beyond. And then I moved my clients outside and shifted more to a consulting type of business. But so I know personally that it is absolutely possible to earn $100 and more on Upwork. Still, many people don't believe me, so I show them case studies of people who are actually proven that make a good living. And so in this video we are going to ask the question: is it possible to earn $1 million on Upwork? And as you see, like this freelancer Jesse Aiden has earned already $1 million bucks on Upwork, working $75 per hour. So if you work, say, 10 hours per day, right, you make 750 bucks per day, and say, so if you have 750 bucks per day, say you work 200 days, times 200 in a given year, means you can earn 150,000 bucks easily. And then do this, multiply with this with a couple of years, and you get to $1 million bucks. And I found of course, this is one of the top freelancers in the space, and you can actually check it out. So what is important? You can see it here. Job success is important, becoming top rated. So if you focus on job success score, which means that clients, so if you finish a gig for a client, he will actually close the gig as successful or not as successful, and will also give you good or bad ratings, right? And in combination, those two things are the most important metrics to kill it on Upwork. And if you look at all the freelancers who are the real deal, who make a lot of money, like this one earning $110 per hour, he has a high job satisfaction, high job success satisfaction, right? So all those people delight their customers, and that's why they get recommended for a search like Solidity, right? So if you search for, say, the Ethereum programming language Solidity, then you only get clients with, mainly get clients with high job success score and that are also top rated. So if you are top rated and if you have high job success score, you will soon be overwhelmed by business, right? So clients want to hire you because you have a high success score and they want to give you work, especially if you are a coder, especially if you are in exciting industries such as machine learning, data science, Python programming, web development, blockchain development, and so on. Yeah. And so if you have high job satisfaction score as a coder, this is like the formula to make a lot of money on Upwork. And then you want to get overwhelmed by work so that you can gradually increase the hourly rates and still have enough work to fill your days, right? And so this is the success secret on Upwork. And if you do this, you could also choose the route where you either increase the demand for your services, right? Or you decrease the supply of your services, which means that, say, you only work 4 to 5 hours per week. And then, of course, you can also choose the gigs. You can also increase your hourly rate because now you have decreased the supply of your services. So therefore, you have a better chance of getting these top dollars for on a given hour. So it depends on your, of course, in your goals, how much do you want to work and so on. But if you just focus on monetization, I would say then take a moderate hourly rate, between 50 and 100 bucks as a first target. And I say moderate because the average freelance developer in the US earns $51 to $61. So take this as a first starting point, and then focus on increasing the amount of work you finish so that you actually increase that number, the number of dollars earned on the platform, because this is the third metric clients care about. So they assume that if you have earned a lot of money, money is like a value voucher, right? So clients give freelancers only money if the freelancers give them value back. So therefore, if you have earned a lot of value vouchers on Upwork, then of course it is also a credibility signal. So focus on those things, right? You need to get the first gig loop going quickly, so you can solve the first gig for Finxter. Brian, actually, if you I will give you like the first gig is very simple. It's like a feedback gig. It doesn't even involve coding, but it's still valuable for the Finxter community. And if you like just submit the gig, I will give you a positive rating, 100% job success score, and that now you have created the momentum on Upwork. And I will actually invite you to the platform. I'm not affiliated with Upwork in any way, but I found that it's easier for freelancer course students to actually get invited by a client, by Finxter, rather than creating their own account, because often if they create their own account, they get rejected in the beginning, which is like a barrier of entry Upwork poses to new freelance developers, to actually reduce the number of freelancers on the platform, to increase the average hourly rates, and to increase their sales earnings in the process, right? They don't want to have price dumping on their platform, because it would mean that they make less money overall on the platform, right? So they want high hourly rates, they want clients to spend a lot of money, they want quality works and quality freelancers on the platform. So therefore, it's good to get invited by Finxter, finish your first gigs quickly, get the momentum going, take the second gig if possible for Finxter if you want, the third gig, and so on. Like, get into this momentum, boost your job satisfaction score, and just delight your customers, and you will be successful. Thanks for joining the course, and see you in the course. Bye.